The use of advanced language models like ChatGPT in the field of robotics has the potential to revolutionize the way in which we interact with and control robots. One key application of ChatGPT in robotics is in the area of natural language processing, NLP. NLP is the process of understanding and generating human language, and ChatGPT is particularly well suited for this task due to its ability to understand and respond to human language in a natural and intuitive way. For example, ChatGPT can be used to enable robots to understand and respond to human speech, allowing for more natural and intuitive communication with robots. This can greatly improve the usability and acceptance of robots in a wide range of applications, from industrial manufacturing to home automation. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to generate human-like speech and text, which can be used to improve the naturalness and expressiveness of robot communication. Another area where ChatGPT can be useful in robotics is in the area of task planning and execution. ChatGPT can be trained on a large dataset of natural language descriptions of tasks and can be used to understand and generate plans for completing these tasks. This can greatly improve the efficiency and flexibility of robot control, and enable robots to perform a wider range of tasks. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of human-robot collaboration. ChatGPT can be used to understand and respond to human language in real time, allowing robots to work more closely and effectively with humans. This can help to reduce the cost and time associated with human-robot collaboration, and make it more accessible to a wider range of applications. ChatGPT can also be used to improve the reliability and safety of robot control. ChatGPT can be used to understand and respond to natural language commands and feedback, which can help to improve the reliability and safety of robot control. This can enable robots to operate more autonomously, reduce human error, and improve the overall safety and efficiency of robot control. Another area where ChatGPT can be applied in robotics is in the field of autonomous vehicles, such as self-driving cars, drones, and robots. ChatGPT can be used to understand and respond to natural language commands, such as take me to the airport or avoid pedestrians on the sidewalk. This can greatly improve the ease of use and safety of autonomous vehicles, by allowing users to interact with them in a natural and intuitive way. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used to generate natural language explanations of the vehicle's actions, which can help to increase transparency and trust in the technology. In addition, ChatGPT can also be applied in the field of robotic process automation, RPA. RPA is the use of software robots to automate repetitive and mundane tasks, such as data entry, customer service, and inventory management. ChatGPT can be used to understand and respond to natural language commands, such as process invoices or answer customer inquiries, which can greatly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of RPA. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used to generate natural language reports and summaries, which can help to increase the transparency and accountability of RPA systems. ChatGPT can also be applied in the field of virtual assistants and personal robots. Virtual assistants and personal robots can be used to perform a wide range of tasks, such as scheduling, shopping, and entertainment. ChatGPT can be used to understand and respond to natural language commands, such as play my favorite music or order groceries. This can greatly improve the ease of use and functionality of virtual assistants and personal robots, by allowing users to interact with them in a natural and intuitive way. Another area where ChatGPT can be applied in robotics is in the field of human-robot interaction, HRI, in assistive robots. Assistive robots are robots that are designed to assist people with disabilities or older people to perform daily tasks. ChatGPT can be used to understand and respond to natural language commands, such as bring me a glass of water or help me with my medication. This can greatly improve the ease of use and functionality of assistive robots, by allowing users to interact with them in a natural and intuitive way. However, it is important to note that while ChatGPT can be a powerful tool in robotics, it is not without limitations. Like any language model, it is only as good as the data it has been trained on, and its predictions may be biased if the training data is not representative of the population being studied. Additionally, the model's understanding of human language is not perfect and it may not always be able to accurately interpret complex or nuanced text. In conclusion, ChatGPT has the potential to greatly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of robotics by automating many of the time-consuming and error-prone tasks involved in robot control. However, it is important to use the model responsibly and with a critical understanding of its limitations. As the field of NLP and AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments and applications in the field of robotics. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.